Expanding double brackets in algebraic expressions. In this video, you are going to learn how to expand double brackets in algebraic expressions. Let's look at an example. The expression in first bracket is x plus y and the expression in second bracket is x plus 2y minus 3. We cannot use the FOIL method for this as the second bracket contains 3 terms. To simplify this kind of expressions, you can follow a simple method. Take first term in the first bracket and multiply that with all terms in the second bracket. Repeat the step for the second term in the first bracket. If the first bracket contains more than 2 terms, you can still follow the same method. Let's take the first term x in the first bracket and multiply that with all other terms in the second bracket. It will be x times x plus x times 2y plus x times minus 3, which equals x squared plus 2xy minus 3x. Now, let's take the second term y in the first bracket and multiply that with all other terms in the second bracket. It will be y times x plus y times 2y plus y times minus 3, which equals y squared plus 2xy minus 3y. Let's write both the expressions together. Now, let's rearrange the expression by combining the like terms. By simplifying the expression, we get x squared plus 4xy minus 3x plus y squared minus 3y. By rearranging the terms according to their powers, we get x squared minus 3x minus 3y plus 4xy plus y squared. The simplified expression of x plus y times x plus 2y minus 3 is x squared minus 3x minus 3y plus 4xy plus y squared.